Let's be real. Most of us don't have space for a full-size fire pit, and honestly, who wants to deal with all that smoke in their face? That's where tabletop fire pits come in. So I dug into the specs, read a ton of reviews, and found the 5 best tabletop fire pits that actually deliver. Whether you're roasting marshmallows, warming up on a chilly night, or just want to vibe out with a mesmerizing flame. No fluff, no hype, just the real deal. Let's get into it. For those who value classic fire aesthetics with modern efficiency, the OGERY Stove Tabletop Fire Pit offers a compelling blend of versatility and user-friendly design. Its dual fuel capability, accepting both wood logs and pellets, provides unmatched flexibility, allowing users to choose based on availability, cost, or desired burn characteristic. The 360-degree airflow system promotes efficient, low-smoke burning, while its robust stainless steel construction promises longevity even under high temperatures. Its portability is enhanced by an included sturdy stand and nylon carrying bag, making it an excellent choice for camping, picnics, or moving between the patio and garden. It is particularly recommended for families or groups seeking a reliable centerpiece for roasting marshmallows and creating lasting outdoor memories. The KingCamp Smokeless Fire Pit earns its recommendation as the best option for visual drama and sleek design. Its signature tornado-style flame effect creates a mesmerizing focal point, offering both low and high burn designs to tailor the ambiance to any setting. Crafted from seamless, lightweight stainless steel, it balances durability with easy portability, folding down for compact storage and transport. While its efficiency is notable, its true strength lies in transforming a space, be it a camping site, beach, or balcony, into an instantly cozy and aesthetically pleasing environment. It is the ideal choice for users whose primary goal is to enhance atmosphere and spark conversation. Prioritizing simplicity and rugged reliability, the ONLYFIRE Tabletop Fire Pit is the top choice for minimalist adventurers and those seeking a no-fuss, durable burner. Its straightforward, rust-proof stainless steel combustion chamber is built to withstand varied environments, and its clever internal convection design encourages a strong, warm, and relatively smokeless flame, especially when using wood pellets. The 3-legged stand provides stable elevation on uneven ground, a critical feature for camping. Its compact, round shape and lack of complex parts make it exceptionally easy to assemble, use, and clean, appealing to those who want warmth and function without technical complication. The CHANGEMOORE Smokeless Fire Pit stands out as the premier engineering achievement in this category, justifying its position as the top overall pick. Its patented triple combustion system, featuring a detachable burner column, facilitates near-total fuel gasification, resulting in a remarkable 99% smokeless operation with vibrant, dynamic flames. The innovative spherical double-wall design is not merely aesthetic. It creates a 200 degrees Celsius hotter combustion chamber than traditional cylindrical models, ensuring complete combustion and even 360-degree heat distribution. This engineering excellence translates to longer burn times, superior fuel efficiency, and exceptional structural stability that resists weld fatigue. Finally, the Houswise Smokeless Tabletop Fire Pit establishes itself as the most compact and versatile dual-fuel option, perfect for space-constrained settings like apartment balconies or small patios. It effectively operates as both a pellet heater and a miniature wood fire pit, providing adaptable warmth. Its highly portable design ensures quick setup, and its focused smokeless innovation is engineered to deliver ambiance without the irritation of smoke, a key consideration for close quarters or semi-enclosed spaces. It is the definitive solution for urban dwellers or anyone needing a powerful yet discreet heating element that doubles as a decorative centerpiece.